So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. For in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of slow booting process of your Windows 11. Now, major reason for that is your startup application is taking too much time to start with the Windows. That's causing the low boot up time, the high boot up time. Sorry. Now, in order to fix that, simply open the Task Manager. You can easily find it just by right clicking on the taskbar, hit Task Manager here. Let me bigger this one. Now here, go to this option of Startup Apps, and here you'll find multiple apps right there. Now make sure that the status of all the application that are of your personal use and that are not of the Microsoft or not of the system use, simply disable the auto startup for that. For example, if I want to disable for example, this is the phone link. I want to disable this one, not want to start it with the system, so just simply disable it and do it with all the applications right there that are not for system purposes, and that's definitely gonna solve your issue. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.